One wrist, two choices. Let's see which one actually makes sense. Welcome to Gadgeto Lab, your go-to spot for the latest and smartest tech gear. In today's video, we're putting the Redmi Watch 5 against the Honor Watch X5 to see which one actually delivers more value on your wrist. From design and performance to health tracking and real-world usability, we'll break it all down so, by the end, you'll know exactly which one deserves your money. Let's dive in. Comparative analysis. Talking about materials and build, the Redmi Watch 5 features a slightly larger and more premium-feeling aluminum alloy frame with a solid and modern smartwatch design, while the Honor Watch X5 also uses an aluminum alloy body, but focuses more on an ultra-lightweight and slim build at just about 29 grams for all-day comfort and minimal wrist fatigue. The Redmi Watch 5 comes with a larger, approximately 2.07-inch AMOLED display with 60 Hz refresh rate and high brightness for better outdoor visibility, while the Honor Watch X5 features a 1.97-inch AMOLED display with curved glass, 60 Hz refresh rate, and sharp visuals designed for smooth fitness and daily use. The Redmi Watch 5 packs a large 550 mAh battery, offering up to around 24 days of typical usage for long endurance, while the Honor Watch X5 comes with a 360 mAh battery, delivering up to around 14 days of usage, balancing efficiency with its lightweight design and fitness-focused performance. The Redmi Watch 5 includes heart rate monitoring, SpO₂ tracking, GPS support, and multiple smart fitness modes with HyperOS integration, while the Honor Watch X5 offers 120+ sports modes, heart rate, SpO₂, sleep tracking, Bluetooth calling, and IP68+5, ATM water resistance for strong fitness reliability. The Redmi Watch 5 runs on Xiaomi's HyperOS-based smartwatch platform optimized for efficiency, no high-end chipset disclosed, while the Honor Watch X5 uses a proprietary lightweight OS designed for smooth basic smartwatch functions and low power consumption. The Redmi Watch 5 launched in late 2025 at around $90 to $110 global estimate, depending on region and variant. The Honor Watch X5 launched in November 2025 at an affordable budget segment, priced at around $63, approximately 449 yuan in China, and about $65 to $70 globally, estimated. The Redmi Watch 5 is better for users who want a bigger display, longer battery life, and a more premium smartwatch experience, while the Honor Watch X5 is ideal for users who want a lightweight, affordable, and fitness-focused smartwatch with strong battery efficiency. Technical specifications. Like, share, and subscribe. Gadgeto Lab has plenty more smart tech comparisons and reviews coming your way, so don't miss what's next.